Good afternoon. My goodness. You're on a beautiful place for a wonderful reason. We're so thrilled you're here. I'm thrilled to be here. My name's Rick Dake. I'm one of the pastors over at Clarkson United Methodist Church, and really glad to be here today to be the officiant to help celebrate Payton and Matthew's wedding and their marriage and their future. So may God bless all of you and all of us, and particularly Matthew and Payton on this day, when a miracle happens in their life and in our midst, to become one by the power of Christ.
Stars are tracing the sky like city windows. I watch you reflect in your eyes.
So good evening, everyone. I am Payton's sister, Jordan. I'm a crybaby, so bear with me. So, here we go. I'm gonna try to make it through this. Never in my life did I think that this day would come where my baby sister is married. I can still remember the happy, fun, energetic little baby that Payton was, and I know that a lot of you wouldn't know that from knowing this hardworking, persistent, and strong woman that you know now. Stood by me through the hardest times and the most scariest times of my life, and I'm so proud to stand next to her today for this. Basically, I just want everyone to know that Matt is going to gain the most hardworking and most devoted and persistent, passionate wife, and she's going to give it 110% like she gives everything else.
I'm not sure if I even really know me. Something in you feels like myself.
I thought it over a lot and spoke to important people, and things kind of led back to the same place for me. We've been through a lot together, and seeing him come to his own and be motivated and ambitious to excel with Payton, I think that's really what it boils down to. It may sound simple, but I'm really proud of the guy.
I'm feeling like it was only ever you. And I'm feeling like you were something I
Now the only thing left to do is to do what we came here to do. And as long as you've been thinking about this day, the people who are standing behind you have been thinking about it a lot longer. You've decided that today you want to make sure that not only are you clothed in a fantastic tux and a beautiful dress, but clothed with this promise that for the rest of your life you will never be alone. For the rest of your life you will stand next to each other, figuratively and literally. You both are very gifted people, but together you're far stronger. And for the rest of your life, you'll figure out what it is to find the joy that God intends for you. And now may the love of God, the joy of Christ, and the power of the Holy Spirit not only seal this vow, but confirm it every day. Go out in joy and always go in the peace of the Lord. Amen. We face each other. Why don't you share a wedding kiss?
But to the guy who never let me forget who I was, the guy who never let me down, the guy that makes it look simple, and the guy I know will fulfill the word husband in every sense of the word.
So Matt, I'm going to tell you I'm so happy to welcome you into my family, and as my brother, you are just one of the greatest men I've ever met, and I couldn't pick a better person for Payton to be with.
May happiness and joy be a hallmark of their relationship. As they explore their love for each other, establish a home, and build a life together, may they be strengthened by the love and encouragement of those gathered here today. help them to learn from one another and grow strong as both individuals and a couple.